Okay, I just picked up this Campbell Hausfeld flux core 120 amp welder. I've never really welded before, and I wanted to get started learning, and for a little over $200 at Menards, this was a pretty cheap investment. It comes with a decent grounding clamp, decent torch, a little bit of flux core wire, 030 wire to get started. Pretty simple to set up. You've only got two adjustments. You got wire speed and amperage, so it's good, easy to just get started and practice, and hopefully learn without a big investment, and then see where I want to go from there. Okay, here are the three beads I just laid on some flat steel with the Campbell Hausfeld flux core welder. This is 3/16 steel, and I cleaned it up with a wire brush when I was done. I'm a beginner, and I'd say this little welder for a little over $200 is a pretty good investment to get started in welding. I hope to just keep practicing and getting better.